July 2, 2022. Dapat birthday ko yon, kaya lang hindi natuloy kasi hindi ako prepared. Hindi ako naka-outfit, nakapambahay lang ako. So, hindi niya tinuloy. Tapos ngayon, nag-aya siya mag-dinner. So, akala ko simpleng dinner lang. Hindi ko alam na may gano'n na pala. So, ayun, natuloy ng dinner na. Napahiyas na lang ata ako. Hindi ko na alam.
For the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Lester and Jolly Gomez!
Yun naman ang sabi nila, enjoy lang daw, di ba? Yun yung common na nakukuha naman naming advice, enjoy lang. And it will come natural, kumbaga.
Simula kagabi, 10:30 ng gabi. Today, di pa kami nagkita.
As long as we are together, there's nothing we can't do.
You should be filled with hope dahil walang nagpapakasal na nag-iisip na hanggang 10 years, 15 years, paano kundi mag-workout. Ang nagpapakasal, ang iniisip, with God's help, with God's grace, with God's mercy, you will be able to fulfill your commitment first and foremost to God and to each other.
Sa ngayon, wala pa, medyo mixed pa kasi, well, sa ngayon gusto lang namin muna siguro matapos, pero eventually syempre yung new chapter of the life. So, excited in a way, pero kinakabahan.
Sana maging smooth lang, walang maging problema. Tsaka, this is it, the big day. So, sana, excited ako makita siya sa aisle.
And I won't look back to things in the past, 'cause I know that I found forever in the love that we have.
Wow, walupi yan. Tingnan na tayong tatlo.
Can never come close to the feeling that I get from you. Oh, never gonna let you go. Oh, I wanna hold on to this feeling that I'm feeling, and I can't believe.
Tsaka kasi, first time ko mahiwalay sa parents ko talaga. Thank you gift lang namin ni Lester sa kanila for this day kasi nag-effort din sila para sa big day namin. Tsaka yung sa pagpapalaki sa akin.
She's strong, but may certain personal aspect na minsan hindi napipigilan talaga yung sa emotions part.
Oo, mababaw kasi yung luha nun. Ewan ko lang pagka ako na, hindi ko alam.
Never gonna let you go. I wanna hold on to this feeling that I'm feeling, and I can't believe that your love has come to me. If ever I'll hold on to you. Never
kinakabahan.
Baka hindi ko maitanggal.
Naisin mo. Ano?
1, 2, 3.